Hey, girl. You're so beautiful. Oh, this pink. Hey, girl. Wait, what you want some attention too? Hmm? You want some attention? What you got there? Oh, oh. It's playtime in the morning. There's that one. Ow. Where are you? Huh? Huh? Where are you? You're red. Huh? Where you go? Where you? Oh, you're pink again. This is the purple. She has a little bit of white right there. Where's the other one? Ow! Oh, you're the other one that has white. Come here. Oh, whoa. Oh, sorry. Trying to do this one hand. Come here. There you go. She has white too. This is brown or white. No, you gonna jump? You wanna jump? You wanna jump? No, I'm not gonna get you to jump. There you go. You don't like the collar? You don't like the collar? Oh, you're chewing up everything, huh? Huh? Is that how y'all feeling? Yep, look at that, you tore my shorts. Alright. Oh well. Oh, no. Nope. Nope. Let's go. You better not be tearing me up. Come here. Ow. How you doing? Ow. Ow. Good bite. Bit me. There you go. Come here. I need a shower today. These are all females. We're in Texas. PM for more info. Ow! Stop it. You're buying sofas? You like your daddy? Huh? That'll be 8 weeks tomorrow, Monday, July 17th. Inbox me for more info. Some big babies. All females. Oh, it's all females.